Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start in build mode. This lets you edit placed items. First, select the wall picture frame you want to change. Once selected, make sure it's unlocked and not anchored by group settings because locked items can't be edited. You'll see the interaction options appear. Click the Picture Edit or Swap button. Make a small position adjustment if needed so the frame is level. Doing this now avoids misplacement later, and it prepares the frame to accept a new image. You'll now pick the replacement picture. Click Browse to access Bloxburg's gallery or choose Upload to use a custom image from your computer. Make sure the image meets game rules and size limits, otherwise it won't import. Once loaded, use the scale and fit controls to center the subject and adjust cropping, because the frame shows only part of wide images. Take a moment to preview at room scale. This helps you see how colors and contrast read from typical player viewpoints. You're ready to finalize. Hit Apply or Save so the new image replaces the old one. Once done, exit build mode and walk around the room to confirm the picture reads correctly from common angles. If the alignment is off, return to build mode and nudge rotation or height. Grid snapping helps with consistent spacing. If the upload fails, check file type and size first, then try re-importing. As a last resort, clear cache or relog, because temporary client issues sometimes block new assets.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.